this is Sana. Welcome to Rajni's Tasty Treats. So as you know that Christmas is approaching, so this video is specially for today. I'll be making Oreo Pops. For this, I've used Oreo biscuit of vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. So the first step is to take an Oreo biscuit and divide it into two parts like this. I have divided 5 biscuits. Take some cooking chocolate. I've melted this cooking chocolate in a microwave. You can take help of your mother. Then you have to take the white part of the Oreo biscuit and apply some chocolate on the corner like this. Now you have to place this stick on the melted chocolate and cover it with the other part of the Oreo biscuit like this. And leave it for 5 minutes. I have taken different types of sprinklers like this. And I have taken some melted chocolate, and we have to take our Oreo biscuit and dip it into the melted chocolate so that it is covered from all sides. And now I will take some vermicelli and put it into the plate. And now I will like this. Oreo Pops are ready.
Here is kashvi, and I'm going to make some goodies for Christmas that kids like me can make very easily at home. Today I'm going to show you some innovations with my crunchy biscuits. I have taken strawberry flavor. You can take any flavor of your choice. I have taken some melted chocolate, so I'll be dipping my wafers 1/4 into the melted chocolate. Dip it like that. Now we have taken some white chocolate too. Now we have to dip the wafer like that. Like this. Now we have to sprinkle some sprinkles on them. These are ready now to serve. I want to tell you an important thing that always take your mom's help to
I make a small ginger. Making the ginger house, I've taken some biscuits and I will apply some white chocolate on the sides of the biscuits. Like this. Take some melted white chocolate. Stick the biscuits like this. Take some gems to decorate the house. I'll use some white chocolate to stick the gems on the house. So now our ginger house is ready. I have made some chocolate crunchies, ginger house and Oreo pops.